Everybody, we're back. Got Miss Katie and Miss Grace here for a taste test on these cheese sticks. I hope they've cooled down enough. One of them things. They look, they're as crunchy. They feel crunchy anyway. So, you ready for a taste?
Yeah.
All right. A little marinara sauce there. I got it. Go ahead. Take a bite. Ooh. Probably a little warm, but it's not. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Or you want to try? You want to try first?
No, go ahead. I'll wait.
No, Miss Katie will go ahead and take the other side. I reckon, right?
I'll wait. Go ahead and take it.
She can grab her own.
Yeah, I'm capable.
The center's creamy, and it's crunchy, and you really taste that Italian herbs. And I'm gonna double dip, as I can.
Yeah, because you're a parrot.
That's sort of good, guys. Isn't it?
Yeah, that
Really
one
good.
sums up.
Yeah. So, guys, this just goes to show you another thing you can do in your air fryer. I'll leave everything I use in the description box down below. Hit show more, and they're gonna be gone quickly. So, you know.
Oh, I quad tripped.
Okay, anyway, try this recipe out. I'll leave it all in the description box. Hit show more. The Nuwave air fryer is a way to go. You can do everything in it. Just stay tuned. We'll show you some more stuff. So, all my affiliate links and social media links is down in the description box. Hit show more. And share it with your friends and family. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta mention the channel. I keep forgetting this. Tonight we're gonna mention Booger US 500. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't even be entertained on getting an air fryer, but she's the air fryer queen. Check her out. I'll leave it right here. Share it with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.